As we step into 2025, the digital landscape continues to evolve, creating unprecedented opportunities for complete beginners to tap into online earnings. Innovations and advancements in technology have simplified the process of launching digital enterprises. In this era, user-friendly platforms across various niches, from content creation to e-commerce, enable newcomers with minimal technical skills to start their businesses with ease. Tools that integrate AI for market research, automated marketing solutions, and easy-to-navigate e-commerce setups are pivotal in reducing the initial challenges that new entrepreneurs face, thereby democratizing the potential for making money online. In 2025, freelancing continues to burgeon, offering ample opportunities, especially for beginners. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr serve as gateways for new freelancers to offer their skills in graphic design, writing, and programming. Success in these marketplaces hinges on creating compelling profiles that highlight unique skills and experiences, which attract potential clients. Moreover, initial client engagement is crucial. Thus, beginners are advised to focus on building strong, positive client relationships. By strategically showcasing their expertise and maintaining high-quality output, novices can effectively launch and sustain their freelance careers amidst competitive digital environments. Dropshipping has revolutionized e-commerce for beginners, particularly with platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce simplifying the setup process. New entrepreneurs can start businesses without owning physical inventory by connecting with suppliers who fulfill orders directly. The key to success in dropshipping lies in selecting niche products that cater to specific customer needs, ensuring reliable suppliers, and utilizing social media for effective marketing. By leveraging platforms tailored for e-commerce and applying strategic marketing efforts, beginners can reach broad audiences and establish successful online stores, even without substantial upfront investment. The digital age offers expansive opportunities for creators to generate income by selling digital products like ebooks, online courses, and unique photography. Utilizing platforms such as Teachable, Udemy, and Etsy, creators can access extensive markets and automate sales processes. These platforms provide tools that help format, publish, market, and sell digital creations efficiently. The success of these digital products heavily relies on quality content, effective online presentation, and strategic pricing. Understanding market trends and needs enables creators to produce relevant content that resonates with their audience, ensuring sustainable revenue through these digital channels. Affiliate marketing stands as a robust passive income avenue in 2025, enabling individuals to earn commissions by promoting products. Key to affiliate marketing is the selection of programs closely aligned with the marketer's audience interest. Successful affiliates use platforms like blogs and YouTube, capitalizing on their reach and influence to recommend products effectively. Crafting genuine and engaging content that naturally incorporates product recommendations can significantly boost credibility and sales. Understanding the audience, alongside consistent and strategic promotion, helps maximize the earning potential from affiliate links, turning content creation into a lucrative business.